In this video, I will show you how to sort and filter your data in a Google Sheets file. To get started, please open the Google Sheets app and click the file you want to open. Let's start with sorting. If your sheet includes a header row, let's freeze it so that it won't be included in the sorting. At the top, click View, hover over Freeze, and click the number of row or column you want to freeze. I will click one row since it's sufficient for my example. To sort the data in alphabetical or numerical order, highlight the group of cells you would like to sort. At the top, click Data, then click Sort Range. If your columns have titles, check the checkbox Data has header row. Select the column you'd like to be sorted first and choose the sorting order, ascending order or descending order. To add another sorting rule, click Add Another Sort column. When you're done, click Sort. This is useful when sorting your students alphabetically or by grades or by birthday. In this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to filter your data. Filtering means viewing only the information or data you want to see and hiding the rest. On a Google Sheet file, click Data at the top and click Filter. Choose the column you want to filter and click the filter icon. The available options are filtered by color. This will be enabled if your selected row has color. Filter by condition. There's a lot of options here like show only empty cells or filtering by text or by date or by number. You can choose one based on the column you have selected. You can also filter by values by selecting the specific value you want to filter. In this video, I will filter by value and select the section of the students I want to see. Click OK. The sheet will only display the students who meet the filter criteria. If you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment below.